time for another upgrade to the van. All right, so today we are addressing the front portion of needing to black out for sleeping and security. Now, I did get with the Revel, of course, the stock covers for the side windows and the front. You can see those in my video of staying for the first night in the van. The reason I want to go to a curtain, well, it's for a couple of reasons. The first is I will be using this van for 3, perhaps 4 season camping, and by isolating this portion of the cabin, there's actually less to heat, and that is the most uninsulated portion of the van. So if I can keep the heat this way, the whole area will stay warmer. The second reason is just ease of use. So when I had to put the windows on, for example, the stock covers, I had to get outside the van to put them on, and then in the morning outside the van to take them off. And this, you know, this is doable on the windshield, but it's a little cumbersome. So what I have here is from Vanmade gear, and it's their 3-panel solution. So there will be 1, 2, 3 panels that roll up. Okay, so in the box you get a sticker, a patch. Let's just go ahead and, all right, you get a patch, you get these snap clasps that we'll have to install, and you get this piece of Velcro. It may or may not be attached, so we're gonna unattach this real quick. First things first, I've got some alcohol on a rag here. I'm just gonna wipe that down. This is the stock shelf. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is just make sure this isn't too long. I'm guessing they actually gave me too much. It's already sticking. We're just gonna mock it up. You can see here it's too long. So we've got our scissors, and we wanna make sure we get good length on this here. And we're just gonna trim that like that. Okay, so the next step is we have to apply the Velcro to the shelf. To do that, I'm just gonna peel back a couple inches there. Get it started, centered. And I'm just gonna roll down using one of the edges as my guide to make sure it goes on straight. It's a little more difficult to do that towards the end. Best to keep it straight here. All right, so the Velcro, you can see here, on that shelf. Next, I'm gonna throw this curtain up. You can see there are 3 panels. And again, you've got Velcro on this side that's just gonna connect to that Velcro you just put up. A little tricky by the shelf for sure. You know what? All right. You've got a little extra on both sides so it overlaps. So what you want to do is you got this middle panel, and they folded it right down the middle. So I'm going to use that as my center point. Go from there. So what that did is you can kind of see here, you're gonna have to install these snaps next. But it's gonna be a good fit all the way down. So the next step is we have to install where the snaps are gonna go. So what I'm gonna do is note where that needs to go, fold this back, make a mark with my Sharpie. I'm not 100% sure you can see it, but right there's my mark with my Sharpie. Using a drill or an impact driver, you don't have to pre-drill. I'm just gonna install the snaps. And you don't wanna go too tight because you could easily strip this out. Just till it's snug like that. Snaps in. Now I'll do that for all the rest. All right, so let's go over some features. So you do have shelves. So you do have pockets built in. You can also opt to have, very important if you're a dog owner, dog poop bag holder right there. So there's a hole here. Just stick out a little bit of your poop bags. Good to go. This design is a 3-panel design, so let me show you what that means. So you just zip up the center. Most people ride around with just this center panel up. If you do ride around like this and you got it set up and you want to go to bed, just zip it down, good to go. Way easier than putting up those stock panels. But let me put that back up. So you do want to put these sides up. You just undo those snaps we installed. You can see here, there's a line stitched in. Fold this in half. Roll it up, just like you did the center. There you go. All right, another simple upgrade to the van that I think is going to make a huge difference just in terms of living out of this thing for a while. If you like upgrades like this and you want to go back to where we started our adventure with the van, click here. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.